Books are magical. They can take us to places we have never been, introduce us to unforgettable characters, and teach us valuable lessons that stay in our heart forever. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to the honorable judges and respected timekeeper. My name is AISYAA binti Muhammad SHARUL and I am from SK Padang LUAS, Terengganu. The school code is TBA0043. Today, I am delighted to share one of my favorite books entitled Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, written by the world-famous children's author Roald Dahl. This wonderful book was first published in 1964 by Alfred and Knopf. The edition that I read was published by Ppat and it contains 135 pages, making it an exciting novel that is just the right length for young readers. The story follows a kind-hearted boy named Charlie Ppat, who come from a very poor family. Although they have very little money, Charlie is thankful for everything he has. His life changes when he discovers one of the 5 golden tickets is hidden inside a Wonka chocolate bar. The lucky winners are invited to visit the mysterious and magical chocolate factory owned by the brilliant inventor, Mr. Willy Wonka. Inside the factory, readers are amazed by extraordinary inventions such as the chocolate river, the inventing room, the nut room, the great glass elevator, and the incredible Oompa-Loompas. What makes this story unforgettable is not only the magical factory, but also the interesting characters. Charlie Ppat teaches us that kindness, passion, and gratitude are more valuable than money. Even though he is poor, he remains humble, respectful, and caring toward his family. His good character eventually leads him to the greatest reward of all. On the other hand, the other children each represent negative attitudes that we should avoid. Augustus Globe is greedy and cannot control his appetite. Veronica Salt is spoiled because she always demands everything she wants. Violet Beauregarde is arrogant and never listens to advice. Mike TV spends too much time watching television and ignores the real world around him. Each child faces the result of his or her behavior, reminding us that our choices shape our future. One reason why I could not stop reading this book is that every chapter brings a new surprise. His imaginative writing, exciting adventure, and colorful descriptions keep me turning the pages until the very end. Another reason this book is impossible to put down is the suspense Roald Dahl creates in every chapter. As reader, we keep asking ourselves exciting questions. Who will find the next golden ticket? Will Charlie make the right choices? Who will become the final winner? Every page offers a new surprise, making readers eager to discover what happened next. That is the true magic of this book. It made it so enjoyable with its perfect balance between fantasy and meaningful life lessons. It makes readers laugh, wonder, and think at the same time. From this book, I have learned that good character is the best thing anyone can have. Kindness will always be number one. Gratitude brings happiness. Respecting others is important. Greed and selfishness often lead to disaster. Most importantly, this story tells us that dreams can come true if we remain kind and never lose hope. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoy adventure, laughter, mystery, imagination, and valuable moral lessons, I highly recommend Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. For me, it will always be one of my favorite books. It is a book that will make you smile, think, perhaps even inspire you to become a better person. As the famous saying goes, a reader today, a leader tomorrow. So, let us make reading a habit because every book holds a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Thank you.